little SEO hack. If you want to be able to get ranked on job websites to get your resume looked at by other employers, they will often search by a keyword or other words to be able to find you. So if you're looking for a candidate and that word's not on your resume, you won't be able to get found. So to be able to keyword stuff, which is a black hat SEO technique you shouldn't be using on a website, you can definitely use it on your resume. So we could go over to Google Docs, type in a keyword. Let's just do a different one. So we're going to look for keywords and we're going to type those in on a resume, but you make them extremely small by using font size like 4 or 6. So it's font size 3. See that? It shrinks it. You basically cut and paste that on your resume at the bottom, change the font to white, and no one will ever know it was even present whatsoever. So this is still red, it'd be obviously because I have a extension on that checks for grammar, and that's how you do it. And you stuff that on the bottom of your resume very small, and no one will ever know the difference, but you will be found for all the top jobs if you have those keywords representative of those jobs.